Hello, parents. Good evening. So nice to see you all on my series of Art of Parenting. So, when we talk about parenting, is it a skill or just natural? When we grew up, we know how our parents nurtured us. And don't we do the same thing to our children? We find it to be very natural. Yes. But, friends, the childhood days, our environment was much different from what it is now. The situation has changed. So, can the traditional parenting continue? Yes, the core values, morals, everything, yes, need to continue. But with the changes that we are in now, it needs an additional role of parents. When the things around us change, we need to step up and have it for the benefit of our children. We ensure that our children inculcate so that they are capable to face those challenges in the current times. And this is what endeavors our parents to be more informed, to be more skilled for the overall development of their child. So, yes, it is natural parenting with additional skills. Let us take, for example, the technology that we are in. I remember when I was young, I had nothing technological around me. Even the TV which entered our house was much later. I remember during my school days, I did not have TV at home. It wasn't there. I did not have telephone in my hand. There were STD calls made, but we never had at home telephones. The camera that we had was not so easily available. So all these electronic items that we are now into has changed the scenario. Our living has changed. We are more technological dependent for everything. The physical activities that we were into are now turning technologically. And we are becoming more and more dependent. So, friends, as parent, one has to look forward to all the challenges that are coming from this environment and be capable enough to know how to face these challenges. It cannot be ignored, else the child will be affected in dealing with the challenges. But with the right action, the right mindset, and with the right outcome that we look forward to, will help our child to develop those capabilities. And we are supposed to empower our child to deal with those challenges. So, yes, parents here as digital parenting, which is a new role for parents, as to how they can navigate their children, as to how he can deal with this digital life of his own. There are so many things into it. And digitalization is not a small issue. It's a different world altogether. And if the child is entering, we should know at what age he should enter. What is the right age we should know. and what is the right way of entering it. So, friends, with this series of mine, Art of Parenting, see you all and let me see what best action can parents take on this and help their kids in the right direction. So, look out for my next series. Here I am. Thank you.